Okay, we are getting ready to put a hydraulic system on this wrecker we've been building with our side pole we designed. We're making headway here. Got the new bed, or new used bed. Have to remove a few things here to get it all figured out. The air cleaner, that kind of thing. What are you undoing there? Oh. Removing the bumper. Oh, just the end piece or the whole thing?
The end piece. The plastic.
Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, we undid the battery right there. So we're all undone. Now we can work on it some more. Okay, getting all these little brackets put on. There's the clutch assembly. Yeah. Wow, it's gonna be nice when it's all on, huh? So almost on there. Had to reroute the hose here. What is that hose?
Fixing on the top.
Yeah, it's looking good though. Looking way good. So now we gotta figure out the hoses on the back.